Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve this problem on the board. If cos theta is equal to 12 over 13, find 1 plus sine theta all over 1 minus sine square theta. Yes, to solve this, cos theta is equal to 12 over 13. Now considering our SOHCAHTOA, here our cos, which is car here, is adjacent over what? Hypotenuse. So we now have our adjacent over what? Over hypotenuse. Now we can represent this using a right angle triangle. So let's say this is the theta, this is the hypotenuse. Let's say this side is the opposite side, and this side is the what? The adjacent. And they said the adjacent is equal to 12, and the hypotenuse is equal to what? 13. Then the opposite side we don't know. It means that we have to look for it. Now, to look for x, we are going to use the Pythagoras rule to find the value of x. And the Pythagoras rule states that the square of the adjacent side plus the square of the opposite side is equal to the what? To the square of the hypotenuse. So if the adjacent side here is 12, so we have 12 square plus the opposite side, let's represent with it x. So it becomes x squared equal to the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse, that is 13, then you square. So at this point, when you expand, you have 144 plus x squared is equal to 169. So if you collect like terms here, you have x squared is equal to 169 minus 144. So x squared will be equal to what? 25. If you subtract 169 minus 144. Therefore, our x now, if you find the square root of both sides, becomes what? 5. So the opposite side will now be what? Will be 5. Now, at this point, the question says find 1 plus sine theta over 1 minus sine square theta. Now, we need to know sine theta. So to know sine theta, of course, from our rule here, sine is equal to opposite over what? Hypotenuse. Here, this is the opposite side, and we got our opposite side to be what? To be 5. Our opposite side is what? Is now 5. So we now have 5 over the hypotenuse, which is what? Which is 13. So now 1 plus sine theta over 1 minus sine what? Sine square theta is now equal to 1 plus sine theta now is 5 over 13. So we have 5 over what? 13 all over 1 minus sine square theta now will be 5 over 13 all square. So here we can expand further here. We can simplify this rather. So this now can be 1 plus 5 over 13 can be written as 13 over 13 plus 5 over 13 all over. Now if I expand this now, I will now get 1. Now if I expand this, 5 square will be 25 over 13 square will be 169. So therefore I can write this to be 169 over 169 minus 25 over what? 169. That's the equivalent of this. So at this point, if you simplify further, 13 plus 5 is 18. So I have 18 over what? over 13 all over 169 minus 25. We have 144 all over what? 169. We can simplify this to be 18 over 13 divided by 144 over 169, which can be written as this. Since we have the division sign here, it means that this fraction will be inverted. So we now have what? 169 over what? 144. So if you simplify, 13 here 1, 13 here 13, 2 here 9, 2 here we have 72, 2 here 1, 9 here 1, 9 here we have 8. Therefore, we are now left with what? 13 over what? Over 8, which is the same thing as what? One whole number 5 over 8 as our final answer. Thank you.